What is open source router firmware? OpenWrt and DD-WRT. Did you know your router might only be operating at a fraction of its true potential? With open source router firmware like OpenWrt and DD-WRT, you can transform your router into a more capable device by replacing its basic software with powerful alternatives. What is open source router firmware? Open source router firmware refers to software that replaces your router's factory-installed software. Unlike standard firmware, this gives you full access to the source code, allowing you to examine, change, and distribute it as needed. Options like OpenWrt, DD-WRT, and Tomato allow you to modify how your router works, providing you more control over network settings and adding features not available in the original software. Essentially, it's like upgrading your router's operating system to one that you can customize to fit your specific needs. How does router firmware work? Router firmware acts as the control center for your network device, managing essential functions and maintaining stable connections. Running the show, it directs traffic between devices, manages wireless networks, and keeps everything running smoothly whether you're streaming videos or gaming online. Popular open source router firmware options. OpenWrt, a Linux-based firmware with strong community support. It allows customization and access to thousands of software packages. DD-WRT, known for its stable performance, it supports many router models and includes features like built-in VPN support and detailed network monitoring tools. Tomato offers a user-friendly interface, perfect for home users seeking advanced features without complex setups. The lead project focuses on security and system stability, providing regular updates. Open source router firmware is your key to maximizing your router's capabilities. Visit our website to learn more. Whatismyip.com